Folkestone Eurotunnel. We're going to Calais, where we're going to go on to Frankfurt, Germany, and then we've got skydiving, all in one day. So we've got, what is it, about 10 hours of driving, do you think?
Yeah, probably more like 7, 8, but yeah, it's gonna be a long night.
Yeah, long night. As fix or repair dailies go, slight problem, my front right is buckled, so there's a vibration. I'll put a clip of the vibrating. It's pretty bad, so hopefully going to get it sorted out in Frankfurt. If I can't, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. Car's looking fresh. Alright, so it's 2:50 now in the morning. We're at Folkestone. Just got onto the shuttle. I don't know what they put it. The shuttle, I don't know. There's so many names, but we're on it. Obviously going on a road trip, Nick and I. He's brought his M240i. Stage 1, induction kit, haven't you?
Yeah, down by, aside from that, stock.
And he's stock. And then obviously over here we've got mine. We're going to Germany first, then we're going to go to Switzerland, and then we're going to go to Paris. We've stopped off in Belgium, just at a service station to get a nap. We're quite tired, but I'm going to put this camera, it's 360, on the back of the car, get some shots of it. Got skydiving at, I think, 1:30. Kind of myself, to be honest. Nick's like regretting it. Nick's done it before. I obviously haven't, and
I can't go through it again.
I don't know. He keeps like just saying stuff about it, which is putting me off. Right, the 360 camera is on the car. Gonna get some shots of it as we go to Frankfurt. Still got about 4.5 hour drive. Right, so we've made it for skydiving.
Oh, I'm alright. You are though.
He just walked us through like the procedure. So day one's complete. We went skydiving, Nick and I. If you haven't done skydiving before, I totally recommend you find a skydiving centre and do it. I'm definitely going to do it again and do my AFF so I can do skydive by myself. But that's way into the future next year. Now we're just chilling at the hotel, Be Mine Hotel in Frankfurt. So you get to park your car right next to where you're going to be sleeping. And no, the bathroom and everything looks unreal. And then you get to wake up car right next to you, like that's just wicked. Day 2 is more chilled. We're going to be going to Munich tomorrow, go look at the BMW museum. Day 3 is a bit more different, so we're heading down to Switzerland. So we're leaving Germany. We're staying around Interlaken, Grindelwald. I think it's called Grindelwald.
Grindelwald.
Cool. Day 2, we're going to go get some breakfast now, and then we're going to drive to Munich, so I'll update you then. Alright, so we're at the BMW museum now in Munich. This has got to be one of the nicest looking cars ever. I don't rate the colour. I don't rate the colour, Nick. That colour slaps.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is unreal. M1 Pro car.
Yeah, there's gonna be new ones.
This looks really nice. Nick, if you could pick, what car are you picking? I already know what car I'm picking.
It's a bit of a difficult one, I don't know.
I'm picking that one there.
Oh, then I'm picking it as well.
No,
wait. Probably something like that.
Like that? Why? Why though?
It just looks so nice.
Yeah, but like,
We've got Fiesta, this is how good that.
Emotional, damn it!
Oh, I put your hand there to do a comparison. This is the perfect car for Nick. I've come to realise, compared to Nick, I don't read all the stuff on the wall. He literally stops and just reads.
I've read the history, I didn't read everything.
There you go. Read it for like 5 more minutes. See you in a bit. See you in a bit. I don't know what this is. Never seen this in my life, but it looks sick. Thanks. Alright, so we've arrived in the Munich hotel. So me and Nick were just chilling upstairs. I don't know why. We were just chilling for about an hour. And we came downstairs because we got a bit hungry. And obviously, it's a museum full of cars. But I don't know what we were thinking. We just didn't bother going around looking. Came downstairs for dinner. So many cars. There's like a GT2 down there. That whole row down there is only McLarens. There are just so many supercars. Like, I've never seen so many supercars in one spot. Alright, we're getting in the car, yeah? Where are you taking me?
Rory.
So it's day... What day are we on? Day 3 now. So we've left Munich, we're on our way to Switzerland now. Do some passes. We've got our pass, Grimsel pass, and there was one more, but I can't remember what it was. They don't really have 99, it's only really 102. I'm mapped for 99, so I'm not putting anything lower. Alright, let's see the damage. So just under a full tank. I don't know what that conversion rate is for 102, but I'll put it on the screen. While Nick's on the drone, I thought, I don't know if I've given a walk around of what I've done to the car since the first YouTube video, I think. It's only really what I've done to the rear. I've just put a diffuser on. I've done the maximum rear valance with a F1 brake light. It's not the best gluing job, but oh well. But no, it looks sick. It's from what it looked like from stock to that. That's changed the look of the car, obviously, completely.
Damn, what is that, bro?
The view is where it's at.
You're not going to be taken out for dinner with us in Paris, are you?
Maybe. Why would I?
Then we'll get kicked out of the restaurant.
Alright, so
Are you out of breath? I hear you out of breath.
let me do this intro. Some sort of hike that makes you go up that. That's what we're going up.
Yeah.
And then we're going to take that cable car just up top there all the way back down. So they said this should take about 2.5 hours. I'm out of breath already, but I'm gonna say my step count after today will be 20,000.
Well, what man? She'll be dead.
Nick's very like my lips are really dry as well. Nick's a very like
Pessimistic.
I don't know what that means, but yeah, I guess so. Oh.
I'll be real, this would be much easier if I was wearing high heels.
Well, you know what? Next time we do one of these,
I'll buy a set.
Wait, what? Are you sure? No way.
Yep.
Wait, are we meant to clamp into this? Nah.
No, I can't.
Go on.
Be careful with your knees.
Ah, the next time we do this,
Knee pads.
knee pads.
Knee pads. Knee pads.
No, I nearly tripped. I need to take these sunglasses off because I actually can't see. Nah, definitely.
It's not holding on to, but.
What do you think? I don't think it is. I think it's meant to just define the route.
Maybe. Wait. Oh, wait.
What's going through your head, Nick?
Huh?
What's going through your head?
I want aircon.
What's aircon? Come on, Nick. That was a nice drop. Nick's up there, and I'm down here. Right, an update. I can't do this anymore. I have no experience whatsoever with any of this. I keep thinking if I was to fall, I know I'm harnessed in, but I'm still gonna fall quite a bit, and something's gonna break. Like literally, like there's a waterfall here, and there's water blowing my way. And these, I'm not in the right boots. Nick's up there. He wants to continue. I don't. I'm gonna make my way slowly down, but no, I'm getting water's blipping going on me. This is so much more difficult than I thought. Like to think, going up that, over there, through all of that bit there, up, and then that's where the bit that you come down to where just over there. This takes like 2.5 hours. I feel like this is a fear, but like, and I want to push on. But I know I would feel absolutely unreal at the top. But like that's considering that like I make not one mistake. Like one mistake, your slip foot or something, you're off. I have no protection, nothing. Wrong boots. Nick's up. He's up there. That's it for me. I'm done. Right, I made it down. Nick's next to the waterfall somewhere up there. He's carried on, obviously. Just getting down, it was sketchy. My lips are so dry. Thirsty. Nick's got all the water because my bag broke before we even started, so he took everything pretty much. I don't know if I said this, but like skydiving, I did not feel one bit nervous until I saw that everyone just jump out the plane. Didn't feel nervous for that, but this, I'm not afraid of heights, but I was more afraid of like the wrong gear, my legs slipping. Like if one thing goes wrong, I know you're strapped in on that, but like you're breaking a bone 100%. It's not worth it. But Nick's one crazy when you're watching this, Nick, but congrats to you. We'll see him when he comes back down. Nick's over there. That little door. He's alive! Oh my god.
So, absolutely soaked.
Check out this. This is the toll thing that beeps you through. Mad. I kind of forgot to do an update. I don't know when my last update was, but we're in Geneva on the edge of the border going on to France. So we're off to Dijon, where we're going to stay the night. And then
We.
we're going to
Go on,
Paris.
say it. Go on, say it.
We. Yeah, I've got like stickers for days, isn't it? Mate, taking both of those off is going to be the biggest pain of my life.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
So we're on the Eurotunnel back to Folkestone. after driving nearly 2,000 miles. And of course, while at Dunkirk, getting something to eat, something and someone has dented the passenger door. I don't know how that's happened. Obviously, it has to happen at the end of the trip. It's the outro to the video. So how was your trip? Sum it up in like 3 words.
I'm bare ill.
Seth. So we were in Dunkirk and somebody, I don't know how it's happened, like a trolley or a door, I don't think a door can do that, but that's damaged. Brake light doesn't work anymore, so that's going to need replacing. The alloy damaged.